All right, today we're going to learn about how to take notes from reading your textbook. So, basically, you read your textbook and you take notes on it, but I'm going to show you specifically how to do that. So here's this is going to be the lesson for today. So prepare to have fun. First of all, it's not like reading a novel. When you read a book, it's a story, there's development, there's things that you enjoy or don't enjoy, try to figure out. When you're reading a textbook, it's not the same at all. It's reading for content, knowledge. It's organized very well, usually. And it's trying to give you the main ideas and points and support those ideas. So, that's the difference. So, first thing you want to do is read through the lesson completely. Don't begin to take notes until you have read all the way through. Just one lesson. Don't read the whole chapter. Just the lesson. If it's lesson 1, then you read lesson 1. If it's lesson 2, then it's lesson 2. But you read it through once, just to familiarize yourself with all the information. And then you go back, okay, and take the focus notes using the steps for the focus note taking. So here are the steps. Number 1, look for the big idea of the lesson. If you're reading lesson 1, the big idea says the Roman Empire begins. So that would be the big idea or the main idea of the section. Lesson 1, the Roman Empire begins. That's what you would have. Okay? Step 2, using the main idea, generate an essential question or write down the essential question given by the teacher. So what I always suggest is that whatever the big idea is or main point, you turn it into a question. So if it's how the Roman Empire begins, you would change it to how did the Roman Empire begin? Keep it as simple and easy as possible. How did the Roman Empire begin? Step 3, read the whole lesson and look for the main ideas or topic sentences per paragraph. For example, in paragraph 1, main idea is Rome began as small settlements along the Tiber River. The main idea and topic sentence. Paragraph 2, through war and diplomacy, Rome's power and wealth grew rapidly. Paragraph 3, in 30 BC, Octavian took control of the Roman world. He became Augustus, the first and one of the greatest Roman emperors. So, step 3, you read through each paragraph and you get the main idea in each one, topic sentence. You write those down. And if you do that, you're going to get the main idea of what the lesson's trying to teach you. Okay? Because after the main idea, then you have all the supporting sentences which support the main idea. Step 4. Write down in your notes the main idea, topic sentence, vocabulary words, and important facts. So it would look like this. Rome began as a small settlement along the Tiber River. Europe had mild, rainy winters, hot, dry summers. Were able to grow many different types of crops. Italy's geography was ideal for a civilization to grow. Beautiful mountains, rivers supplied water for farming and drinking, fertile farmland to grow enough food for all. Okay? So you can see, you go back and you get the main ideas, you get the details, you write them down. Okay? Step 5, once you've done steps 1 through 4 for the whole lesson, then you go back and interact with your notes. For example, you highlight the main ideas. Circle vocabulary words. Underline important facts. Okay? And this is what I suggest just to make it easier. I mean, you can obviously do more, but if you do this bare minimum, your notes are going to be wonderful. You're going to get full credit, and you'll learn a whole lot more. So, highlight main ideas, circle vocabulary words, underline important facts. And how does this look? Well, you can see here, this is supposed to be highlighted. So, Rome began as a small settlement. Tiber River is circled, vocabulary word. Main idea, main point, Europe had many mild rainy winters, hot dry summers, able to grow many different crops. Civilization, vocabulary word highlighted. Rivers supplied water for farming and drinking. Other main idea and point. So you get, this is what your note, this is interacting. This is not just having notes written down. This is actually going back and focusing on them, which is why they're called focus notes. Okay? So there's an example of what it would look like. Your conclusion, what do you do in the conclusion? Well, look for the big idea of the lesson. Using the main idea, generate essential question or write down EQ given by the teacher. Read the document again, looking for the main idea or topic sentence. If you were doing a worksheet, it's the same process except it's just the worksheet. That's why I said the document. Write down in your notes the main idea, topic sentence, vocabulary words, and important facts. And once you've done that, for the whole lesson, go back and interact with your notes by highlighting the main idea, circling vocabulary words, underlining important facts. That's it. 5 steps. The end. So, hope you enjoyed that quick lesson on how to do focus notes. Now, obviously, after you've done all this, you'd write your summary. You'd write your questions on the left side of your paper, and then you'd be done. So, Mr. Martinez, thank you. Take care. Martinez out.